Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is the first part of gravitation. Okay. At the end of the topic, we can answer this question. The first one, what are Newton's universal law of gravitation and Kepler's laws? Number two, why we need to know the values of the gravitational acceleration of planets in the solar system? And how do man-made satellites help to improve human life? Gravitational force is known as universal force. This is because it acts between any two bodies in the universe. Okay, the first one, these are a few examples. Okay, gravitational force between moon and earth, gravitational force between the earth and a tree on the earth, and the gravitational force between the apple and the orange. Now let's look at an example. So here is the question. Remember, if you get this kind of question, please write first the information given. Okay, and then you write down the formula. Rearrange the formula. Now please look closely how I carefully use my calculator and plug in the numbers. Okay, I use EXP for 10 to the power of something. Okay, this question is very easy, but usually students get it wrong because of wrong pressing the calculator. This is an interesting activity that we can do in the lab. But now we use PhET simulation to carry out the activity. So now I am setting the mass, the first mass to be 60, and the second mass, let's see, this student has a mass of about 70 kg. And then we set the distance between the two bodies to be 2 meters as in the table. And we can calculate the force using the formula. So here in the simulation, the simulator gives us the values. Now change to scientific notations. Okay, so we get the force as 7.01 times 10 to the power of negative 8 Newton. Now we continue with the same students, with the same pair. And now the distance is 4 meters. So what's the force? So the gravitational force is 1.75 times 10 to the power of negative 8. Okay, then we continue for the second pair. So now let's see, the mass of the second student is about 50 kg. We do the same to get the value of gravitational force. Then we answer the discussion question.